What's going on, guys? Welcome to this gold and GJ breakdown. So following on from yesterday's analysis, yesterday's forecast, gold is playing out exactly as we expected it to. So price is currently rejected off this weekly S&D zone here. You can see price on the weekly is trending up. We've got a pullback. Now we're expecting price to head back to the weekly highs. If we go down to the 4-hour and see price has been trending down. High, lower, lower, equal high, sorry. And then price started trending down here. Lose momentum, had one last push, and then we broke the structure. You see this break of structure here on the 1-hour and the 4-hour? That was the indication of the trend change. And we got the filled low here. Beautiful entry here, by the way. I missed this. I wasn't on the computer later on in the day. We still caught a good 20 pips, but we missed that big push. That's the big push that I really wanted yesterday. And we had the volume to do it, but price was just waiting till later on in the day to push up to that 4-hour high. Because yesterday, you see, we entered here. After got this 1-hour break here, 1-hour break of structure. I entered here. 1 hour was broken. I can't remember if it was on this break or here. I'll have to have a look. But I was expecting a push then up to this 4-hour high. You know, this level was holding. We got a retest. Boom. Looked like it was going to go straight up there. However, it didn't. It wicked out and decided to go retest the lows. However, it stayed in structure on the 1 hour. So you see here, it's a good confirmation. Price broke structure here, 1 hourly. Came back, 1 hour, sorry. Retested. No candles closed below this previous low. We got that wick. Huge confirmation this was going to be a solid buy after this. And then there was our entry right there. You see, we got that failed candle. And then as price was breaking up, boom, we're in for these highs, but then in for the 4-hour high. That would have been our main target because we already had this confirmation of break of structure here. Could have partialed out here, taken some partials. However, that there gave me full confidence it was going straight to that 4-hour high. Now, we have broken the 4-hour high. And now I've got this continuation pattern here. So if price continues from here, now it's too, we can't get in after this push here. I'm hoping that we get some sort of a pullback. Now, there's a couple of places that we can potentially enter. If price comes back down here to support, or if it comes back down here to support, make support again, and gives us that continuation pattern. That's what I'm hoping for. So we can get in and ride this. We've got a continuation here. If that fails, we might get a push down if we look at the current daily high and low. So the current daily low is here. So we might get a swipe of this liquidity. Now, if we don't get any candles closing below here and we get reversal pattern, I'll be looking for buys from here. I'll be looking for buys from here, or I'll be looking for buys from here. So I'm looking for buys today to take price up to the now daily high because we've got the 1-hour bullish, the 4-hour bullish. We're expecting a big push. We've got the weekly bullish. And then now we have just the daily bearish. And now it's the daily's turn to turn bullish. So I want to see now price to continue up here as it goes through those levels. So we've just got to identify and catch the right entries for when it's potentially going to do that. Now, I don't think price is going to come all the way down here. What I think price is going to do first is it's going to, because if we make a new high here on the 4-hour, 1 second. If we push up here, make a new high, then this will be the new 4-hour demand zone. So then I won't expect price to come down here until we've at least tested that daily high. And then if you look here, we've got a downtrend, but we've also got a potential inverted head and shoulders, which is a 4-hour one, which is very valid. If it decides to play out at the bottom of a trend, right on the neckline there. Now, if that breaks, that will give us the confirmation that this is going to take us all the way back to the top to fill this imbalance here. These will be the main targets up here. If that breaks, that'll be good to swing. And it's looking solid, guys. It's looking very, very good. So today, if we go down to the 1-hour, down to the 1-hour, as I say, I'm looking from here. We get an imbalance fill here. If we don't get any candle closes below here, we get rejection here, confirmation here. Boom, buys all day, guys, to that daily high. Bam, bam, bam. This is what I'm waiting for. Buys to that daily high today with smaller stop losses. Either we get it from here with a 20 pip, here with a 20 pip, or here with a 20 pip. And look at the risk to reward, guys. We can get a 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 out of there. So even if we get 1 or 2 stop losses getting in it, doesn't matter because we're going to be holding it until that high. And if it smashes through that high, boom, a lot of extra profit in there. Okay. GJ again. Now, GJ has hit the final target I was aiming for, which was this imbalance fill in this demand zone on the weekly. Second, my charger, which is the demand zone on the weekly. And we have had a rejection there. The daily candle closed all the way down here. Bearish candle there. Now, what I'm looking for today is the candle closes again. So if you look here, we've broken structure now. We've got a change of character, a chock, if you want to call it, on the 4 hour. So now we've got this imbalance fill. So I want to see price push into here. Now, this is all about the candle closes again. If we don't get any candle closes above here on the 4 hour, 1 second, on the 4 hour, or the hourly, we need hourly candle close on the top. But if no 4 hour candle close above, then this is a nice indication that we're going down and that we can start targeting these lows down here, which again, this would be our first target, this low down there. So that's what I'm waiting for, guys. GJ, as I say, we finished bearish yesterday. It is creating a continuation, so we might get a wick fill. We've just got to see. We might get a big pump and a big wick fill here. We have, look, again, had a nice rejection from the higher time frame S&D zone here, similar to the weekly that we just looked at on gold. So now this might fill all the way on that wick. However, big engulfing, I guarantee, or almost guarantee, when this happens, it pushes halfway, 3/4, fills the imbalance, and then continues down to previous lows. Now that's what I'll be looking for. That is what I'm expecting there. We might wick the high, but if the candle closes here, then that's what we'll be aiming for there. With confirmation, we'll be looking for sells down. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the Discord.